Goodbye all those Note vestiges and hello to the new or at least more consistent design language. The all-new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra finally looks like a part of the Galaxy S family, sharing the same flat brand wrapping around its body. For this latest flagship, Samsung has recast the Galaxy S25 Ultra in the image of its siblings while maintaining that ultra flare with premium materials, the largest screen, and yes, the integrated S Pen. Like the rest of the line, the Galaxy S25 Ultra now features Qualcomm's best mobile CPU, the 3nm Snapdragon 8 Gen L8 for Galaxy, which promises to be faster and more efficient than anything the Galaxy S line has run before. Samsung told us this is actually a custom version of the processor but didn't go into detail. While we have not yet had the time to benchmark the new phone, we'll be doing that for our full review. The company did note that the NPU could be 40% faster. The CPU is, as they measures it, 37% faster than the last Ultra, and the GPU is, they promise, 30% faster. Even ray tracing gets a boost, with Samsung's benchmarks finding it 40% better than the S24 Ultra's ray tracing capabilities. Put another way, this might be a very good gaming smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra was unveiled at Galaxy Unpacked on January 22. It's available to pre-order now in a choice of 4 colors: titanium silver, titanium white silver, titanium grey, and titanium black. The phone ships in either 256GB, 512GB or 1TB storage configurations, and every variant comes with 12GB of RAM. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will begin shipping on February 7 for the following prices. The 256GB variant is $1,299, the 512GB variant is $1,419, and the 1TB version is $1,659. The S Pen is still there, but Samsung has removed Bluetooth LE support because it told us no one was using it. Its main function was to enable you to use the pen as a remote control for shooting photos or controlling presentations. I doubt I will miss it. Otherwise, the S Pen's operation is unchanged. I drew with it a bit on the S25 Ultra and was impressed with the responsiveness. Finally, the good news is that Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra costs the same as its predecessor, starting at $1,299 for 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. That's still a hefty price, but you should expect some early promotions to lower the pocket pain, and trade-in deals are typically excellent.